Good morning, everybody. Hope you've had a good week so far. Let's go ahead and do our calendar and get started. Let's be thinking, fist to our chest, to the date and the shape that will go right there. Okay. Our pattern so far, we've had trapezoid, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezoid, rectangle, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And while you're thinking, can you also think of the month and the day of the week? Okay, you got it? How about a 6 on a parallelogram? Got it? Good. We'll put that on there. All right. And can you whisper to me the month? It's May. And what day of the week is today? Yes. Up, up, up. Wednesday. Awesome. Let's fill this out. You say it along with me while we're filling it out. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, 2020, 5, 6, 20. Today we go to library. Awesome. While I'm thinking about that, I was thinking about our drive-by that we're doing next Thursday. I'll be there starting at 1 o'clock. It goes until 6 o'clock. And thinking about it being Wednesday and library day, be looking at your house and if you look and see if you have a library book that needs to be turned in, because you're going to be able to turn in your library book on that drive-by day. Okay, so be looking for it and think about the books you've been reading. Okay, and everything we've read this year. I want you to think about that. And if you'll check the notification I sent out about what Dr. Buckner had you planned for you to do today, you can check on that. You can also always go on Capstone Library and read there. Okay, good. Now, looking here, what day it is, let's go ahead and look. All right, we ready to do this? All right, read with me. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Awesome job. Okay, and one more day of school. Pick this up. Where's it going to go? Hundreds? Tens? Not yet. Ones. Always put one more in the ones. Do we need to bundle it? Not yet. Hard to see. We had 158 days of school. We've just added one more to that. So now we have 159 days of school, don't we? So I'm going to change that 8 and put 9 there in the ones place. All right. What's going to happen tomorrow? Yeah, gotta go find a rubber band. So I'll have 159 days of school. That is awesome. So let's go ahead and make our tally mark on our chart. Okay. So we're going to do our tally mark. Is that going to be vertical or oblique? It is. It's going to be vertical. All right. So we ready to count this? We're going to grab our big amount and we're going to add on or count on to do that. Okay. So here we go. Go ahead and grab 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140, 145, 150, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159. Good job. Good job. All right. So we've got all of that covered. Now I want you to think, since today is library day, it made me think about wrapping up this year. We've read so many books this year, and I know I've not been doing Wit and Wisdom with us on our remote learning. I know that, but we have read so many books this year. And remember, at the first of the year, our first one was Wild About Books. And I think we've read some awesome, awesome stuff. So, thinking about that, I want you to think about what's your favorite, or what do you think was the best book that we read this year? We've got so much to think about. We've got um, Wild About Books. We've got about the Biblio Burrow. We read all of those. Then we read all of those animal books like Never Smiled a Monkey, um, the Seahorse, the shyest fish in the sea. We did all of those. And then we did all of these Cinderella stories that we just finished. Oh, we've read so many books. And then we've just read books in class. You've read books in your reading groups. You've read books in library. You've read books on Capstone and checked out books in the library. So many books. So I want you to think about what is the best book that we read this year. So here's your sentence starter. The best book we read this year was, can you come up with it? You need to think about it. Spell it the best way you can. Ask someone to help you spell it. That's okay too. But the best book we read this year was, and do you have to agree with your friends? Mm-mm. It's this is your opinion. So it's not a fact. It's how you feel about something. So the best book we read this year was, okay. I really look forward to seeing what your answer is on this one. Have a fantastic day.